For the better future of the girl child.
Yeah, for the better of future of girl child and all for kids.
Would you encourage your children to be a part of this
Yeah,
initiative?
of course. In future, I would like to appreciate them for doing all these types of things in their lives.
Thank you. So is this the first time you're participating in such an initiative?
Yeah, it's my first time which I'm participating for this kind of a cause, which is in a great cause which I'm looking forward to.
So what do you think about the CHD Developers Komal Ankur initiative?
It is a great opportunity which has taken initiative by the CIG developers, which made the thing more clear to the maximum people that greenery, it's to us, it's very necessary. And again, it's the same, the girl child is also a part of our life work.
Okay. So what do you think about the CHD Developers Komal Ankur initiative?
If I talk about CIG developers taking initiative, it's going for a good cause, which can make this earth more green, look more good. And saving the girl child is again a good initiative, which जो पुराने लोगों में था कि हाँ नहीं करना, उस चीज़ को हम ओवरकम कर रहे हैं. या अच्छी चीज़ है जो CHG हमारे सामने समाज में लेके आ रहे हैं.
Do you think this initiative would bring a larger change in India?
Yeah, it will bring a larger change difference into India, because India ऐसी कंट्री है जहाँ पे ये चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा थी. अब जो कम आती जा रही हैं, तो इसके लिए कुछ ऐसी कंपनी आगे बढ़ के कर रही हैं, तो बहुत बड़ा इनिशिएटिव ले रही हैं इस चीज़ के लिए. उनको हमको साथ देना है, मैं इसलिए उनके साथ खड़ा हूँ यहाँ पे.
Would you encourage your children to be part of such initiatives and drives?
Yeah, definitely. I would love to like my children to be a part of this kind of a social cause, which can expand their good nature to the industry, and which will help again if they can support me also to move forward with this.
Thank you. Thank you. बस इतना ही मेरे लिए. Okay. So is this the first time you're participating in such an initiative?
I've heard a lot of initiatives like this, but this is the first time I got an opportunity to, be a part of such a good initiative.
So what do you think about CHG Developers Komal Ankur initiative?
This is really good. More and more corporates should come up with this kind of activity so that we all can collectively work towards protecting our environment, which will obviously lead to protection, pollution reduction, and then of course this initiative is also about saving the girl child, which is a very big problem which is rising in India. So we all should join hands together and try and curb this. So I feel this is really a good step from CHG developers.
So do you think an initiative like this can bring a larger change in India?
Definitely yes. बूंद बूंद से सागर भरता है जैसे कहते हैं, तो सारे लोग मिलके अगर एक कॉज के लिए काम करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली एक चेंज आएगा, एंड आवर कंट्री वुड डेफिनेटली प्रोग्रेस.
Would you encourage your children to be a part of this?
डेफिनेटली मैं अपने बच्चों को ज़रूर कहूँगा कि ऐसे इनिशिएटिव्स का हिस्सा बने और ख़ुद भी ऑब्वियसली अपनी कॉलोनी में चाहे अपने स्कूल में ऐसे ड्राइव्स को बढ़ावा दें, ताकि हम सब मिलके अपने आने वाली जनरेशन्स को, उनकी आगे वाली जनरेशन्स के लिए एक बेटर अर्थ बना सकें.
Thank you.